This is my unboxing of my new Bluetooth remote control-y selfie stick. I was inspired by Miss Kendall James, who does amazing Hago tours and also has a wonderful YouTube channel. You should totally check it out and go to Buy Me a Coffee and become a member of her llama pack. So yes, I'm not saying it right, but you get the idea. So anyway, she lives in Japan and does great tours, but she was talking about gimbals. And I'm like, this is not a gimbal, but this is a selfie stick, and it will help me maybe wobble less. Plus, it has a remote control. And I saw this when I went to a Santa Go Out concert December 18th of last year in Taichung City. A lot of people brought these really cool selfie sticks that stand up and move around without you having to move them around. I'm like, that would be cool to have. I vlog a lot. I don't make a lot of money vlogging, but I really enjoy it. And the selfie stick is tax deductible because I can use it for my podcast and my vlog YouTube channels. I'm like, ooh, I should totally get this. And it's Passover. So again, I was like, my budget can afford like $15 right now. So I went. Again, this is at 9x9. As you can see, it extends 90 centimeters. It has a little remote control-y thingy, and it folds up into a very tiny thing. I have no idea what this says in Mandarin. Sorry. I do plan this year on becoming more proficient in Mandarin. I don't think I'll read in it yet, but I will be able to understand it. Anyway, this is a charge cord. Let us look at this one now. So, this is the selfie stick. Okay, let's check this out. It extends like this. It has a little expandable bracket. I could have gotten one for like a little over $16, but I didn't see the point in that. Ooh, this is cool. See, it comes apart like this. And then, just this tail. Ooh, like that. This, ooh, I am feeling so cool about this. Okay, you can also hold it like this. Doobie 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 doobie. Now there was one that brackets a little differently, but I'm going, this one was $3.49 in TD, so it was like again $11.22. And I'm like, I really don't need one that does like the thingy. And that was 30 centimeters shorter, so it was only like 2 foot long. And I'm like, I want the extra. This is like 3 foot long, a little less. But I'm like, I want the extra length on this selfie stick. It also has a little Bluetooth thingy in it. I'm trying to figure out where the chargey cording is. Oh, right here. It also has a little flash, which I'm not sure the other one had. So anyway, this is this. And then, oh, this is the button you hit to take the picture because it links to your phone. So I'm like, that is pretty cool. And it becomes very small. How does this, oh, these fold in like this. And it's very lightweight, so I'm going to charge it tonight and try it out tomorrow. Yay! And that is my unboxing party. I also got these. I have one already, but they got in a new shipment, and I absolutely love these little mouse pads. So I bought these. I also have, I didn't know this, but I think they're Japanese, this design. These are little stamps, which I'm never going to use. I'm going to probably buy another set of these little stamps before I leave. But they're little stamps that match the thing that I just talked about. You can't see behind here, but I have like all my bad buddies, pictures of my friends. It's like a plethora of like photograph med Sheerhan. So anyway, that is the unboxing. I'm trying to put this. Oh, I'll get my dinner ready for the Grace.